Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Roku Voice Remote with TV controls for Roku TV. Model RCA1R, a renewed product that promises to simplify your streaming experience. This remote is designed to work seamlessly with all Roku TV models, Roku audio products, and most Roku players. With this device, you can control your TV, adjust the volume, switch inputs, and navigate channels, all from a single remote, eliminating the need for multiple devices on your coffee table. One of the standout features of this remote is its voice control capability. You can quickly search across thousands of channels, launch your favorite apps, and even play entertainment with simple voice commands. Preset channel shortcuts allow you to access popular streaming platforms instantly without scrolling through menus, making it faster to get to what you want to watch. Setting up the remote is incredibly straightforward. Once you turn on your Roku device and remove the battery tab, the remote pairs automatically. It requires just one AAA battery, which is included in the package. The compact design of the remote, measuring 5.5 inches by 1.7 inches by 0.8 inches and weighing only 1.6 ounces, makes it comfortable to hold and easy to use. Being an Amazon renewed product, this remote has been professionally inspected, tested, and refurbished to ensure it is fully functional. You can expect it to arrive with all necessary accessories, packaged either in its original box or a clean new one. Purchasing renewed electronics not only offers a cost-effective option but also helps reduce electronic waste. This Roku Voice Remote is ideal for anyone upgrading their existing remote or looking for a simple and efficient way to navigate Roku devices. It supports voice search, channel shortcuts, TV control, and works with multiple Roku devices, making it a versatile tool for any streaming setup. In summary, the Roku Voice Remote RCA1R is compact, easy to set up, and packed with features that make controlling your Roku devices effortless. If you're looking to enhance your streaming experience without cluttering your living room with multiple remotes, this is an option worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews.